Hey guys, welcome to another short and sharp maths video. Today we want to have a look at compound interest. Alright, that's Albert Einstein. He's one of the smartest people who ever lived on this planet, and he said, compound interest is the eighth wonder of the world. He also said, he who understands it earns it, he who doesn't pays it. Alright, let's have a look why he was so fascinated with compound interest. Alright, quick review. Simple interest, we calculate our simple interest just by multiplying our principal, which is the amount of money, times the interest rate that we get per year, times the time frame. If you're not sure about it, just click on the link below. This is the full-on video about simple interest. We need to make sure we understand simple interest properly, because only if we understand the simple interest, we are able to understand compound interest. All right, let's say we have $10,000. And we want to bring this $10,000 to a bank and say, bank, pay me some money because I lent you my money. So I bring my $10,000, which is called the principal, to a bank, and I want to earn some money for it. The bank says, all right, we give you some money for it. We give you 5% every year on your principal. So the rate is 5%. Now, after 1 year, we get $500, 5% of $10,000. After 2 years, we get again another 5% on our $10,000. So we get another $500. After 3 years, surprise, surprise, we get another 5% of our $10,000, which is another $500. So the amount of money that we make every year does not change because we only earn interest on our principal. So our total income is $10,000 plus $500 for the first, second, and third year. So overall, we have $11,500. That's not too bad in our savings account. However, we only make money on our principal. That's the main idea, and this is where compound interest is much, much better. Here we earn money not just only on our principal, we earn money, or we earn interest on our previously earned interest. And this is what is going to grow extremely well over long periods of time. So I will get interest on principal and my previously earned interest. All right, let's have a look at another example. Now with compound interest. Again, I bring my principal of $10,000 to the bank and say, here my $10,000. I don't want simple interest on it. I want compound interest. Okay, so the bank says, all right, we give you compound interest, and they say, we give you again 5%. So after 1 year, we get 5% of our $10,000. 5% on $10,000 as well, $500, just like we had with simple interest. But now year 2, this is where it's going to get interesting. Now we get interest of 5% on our principal and of our previously earned interest, which are the other $500. So now we get $525. In year 3, we get interest on our principal and on our previously earned interest. So that's $551.25 in year 3. So now our total income is again our $10,000. That hasn't changed. $500 in year 1, $525 in year 2, and $551.25 in year 3. So altogether we have $11,576.25. Not too bad, a little bit more than with our simple interest example. All right, how do we calculate compound interest? We use our principal, then we open brackets and we say 1 plus the rate that the bank give us divided by the interest periods in a year. We just get it once every year, so this is just 1. And then we close our brackets and have our little indices, interest rate per year times the years we have. All right. That sounds very difficult. Let's put in some numbers. Principal is 10,000. We multiply this with, open our brackets, 1 plus 0.05, our interest rate, divided by 1, because it's only paid once a year, and to the index of 1 times 3. Again, 11,576. Both examples are the same. Good work. All right, now you can say, oh, the compound interest wasn't really that much more. Okay, true. However, we only calculated it for 3 years. Now I want to show you the difference over longer periods of time. This is when compound interest really makes a difference. All right, let's have a look at this example. On the left side, I show you what happens to a principal with simple interest, and on the right side I show you what happens to a principal with compound interest over different time periods. We start in both examples with $10,000. After 3 years, we've just calculated it, $11,500 with simple interest, $11,576 with compound interest. So we earned $76 more with compound interest. Now, after 10 years, with simple interest, we have $15,000 altogether. With compound interest, we have $16,289. All right, with compound interest, we earned $1,289 more. Now, let's have a look at 30 years. After 30 years, with simple interest, $25,000. With compound interest, we have $43,219, which is $18,219 more, a massive amount of money. And this is the important idea. Over time, compound interest will extremely outgrow simple interest, and this is what you need to understand. All right, awesome. Thank you very much for watching.